Hello YouTube viewers, this is Gardener Mike in San Antonio. Last year I was doing hydroponics towards the end of the year, and I was doing it in quart jars. That really bothered me because I didn't want to have to worry about breaking glass jars. These 3-inch net cups that I'm using work quite well in the 5-gallon totes that I picked up at Lowe's. Just used a 3-inch hole drill that you see right here in the middle of the image, and I run it backwards. It grinds right through the plastic lid without causing it to grab. I have 4 different varieties of green vegetables here. I have Bloomsdale Long-Standing Spinach, little Gem Butterhead Lettuce, Parris Island Cos Lettuce, and Giant Noble Spinach. Now the Giant Noble Spinach right here in the middle, I will be picking today. And that will create a tote that I'll be able to put more vegetables in as they become ready. Down here in the glass jars, and I'm keeping them in a tote so that they don't get broken. If they do, they'll be right here. I have the Bloomsdale Long-Standing Spinach and one of my lettuce plants. I lose track of which ones I have, which is no concern really to my wife and I, because we eat it fresh with salads or on sandwiches. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this one out right here and let you see the root structure. From all the information that I have learned, the root structure has water gathering and nutrient gathering roots near the bottom, and the ones up near the net cup, which are no longer in water, are getting the air, the water and the oxygen that the plant needs to survive. I have one bed going out in the backyard that I'm trying to build, and it'll be built with concrete bricks. The reason for that is because in just 4 years my wooden garden bed has rotted and started falling apart and dumping all my good soil out onto the yard. So this will be it for now. Please like and subscribe and click the little ring bell so that you'll get new notifications every time I come out with a video. I am starting to feel a little bit better health-wise, and I hope I can continue to make videos, improve on what I'm doing as I go. So for now, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.